Trevor Judge from Mid-County to mat 3. Trevor Judge from Mid-County to mat 3. Again, parents, wrestlers, coaches, we have food being delivered to our table workers. Please stay out of their way. If you do not need to be on the floor, then please stay up in the stands. Again, parents, coaches, and wrestlers, we have food being delivered to our table workers. To keep this thing rolling, please stay out of their way. And if you do not need to be on the floor, stay in the stands. Thank you.